Play with me. Boom.
Why you gotta be so indecisive? Why you gotta be, yeah. I just wanna stop all the fighting. And you don't know what you want. And you don't know what you're fighting for. And baby, you're the one. The only one that I...
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm here with another video. So basically today I'm trying out the Fenty Beauty, the new powder they brought out, the Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation Powder. So it looks like this. If you guys can see. So basically I aim to kind of like try like two ways of testing out this powder foundation. So like, because obviously it's a powder foundation, you can use it just as like a foundation kind of thing, so just like foundation and concealer, then do that routine. So I want to try it out that way, which I personally never like. That's never how I wear powders. And also I want to try it out like with my normal routine, which is basically like when I do my normal steps, like the foundation, concealer and everything, and then I'll put the powder on top basically. So I'm going to try two ways today. So yeah, hopefully we can get through that. Hopefully, I mean, if you guys see both, then I did both. If you guys see one, then I did one. But yeah. Okay, basically, let me just give you a little run through of the descriptions and the details. So basically, it's a buildable, light to full coverage, long wear, light as air, crease resistant powder. Okay, it has a lot of descriptions. So it's meant to be, it's meant to be like light to full coverage. So basically you can build it up. So if you don't want as much of a fuller coverage, you can just, you know, put a bit on. If you want more of a fuller coverage, I feel like you have to pack it on a bit more, basically. And then obviously it says long wear, no flashback. All right, we'll see about that, sis. Blur filter, so that it blurs out your face. All right. Sweat, humidity and crease resistant. Build up, yeah, I said that, and it won't settle into fine lines, clog pores or cake up. I actually want to see about that because I normally have like creases around my cheeks, mainly on this side. I think because I smile too much or I talk too much. So I want to see if it would like set in to them. And yeah, it reduces the appearance of shine, which is, my face right now is shiny as hell because I like did my skincare and then I used SPF 50. And I've only been using it for like a week, probably even less, and I've kind of realized that it's actually really oily. And one thing about me is because I have oily skin, I don't like to put a lot of oils on my face, so it makes me have more shine that I like. But if it's protecting me from the sun, I mean, I can't really do anything about it. So it kind of has like a little how-to. I might kind of follow it, but I'm not sure, like how to use it. So it says you know, after moisturizing, which I've done, apply your favorite Pro Filter primer. Okay, cool. You're gonna use mine. This is actually one of my favorites. So, and let it set for the best results. Okay, so I'm gonna like let the primer set for like, you know, a minute or two. And then it says use the included sponge to like build your desired coverage. Okay, so it kind of says here the loose of the brush, light the coverage. So if you have more of a dense brush, like this, like super dense, I feel like it's gonna build on more coverage. But if you have something more like, you know, less dense, it's gonna like just, it's not gonna be as much coverage. Let's just go in with the Fenty Beauty. I shouldn't even put too much of this because my face already has a lot of moisture. Okay, so I've applied the setting powder now, and I'm gonna like use concealer underneath my eyes just so I can have that, you know, at least some sort of concealer and like a brighter under eye rather than just one shade of colour. And I'm literally probably just gonna do it underneath my eyes, just underneath my eyes. I let it set a bit, just let it set a bit, you know. So let's just have a look at this packaging. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of like the usual Fenty Beauty packaging, you know, with the, it's giving me marble, matte marble, like different colours, but super sleek and chic, you know. Let's open it up. Ooh, oh, I shocked it. So then this is what it looks like when it's opened, opened out of the box, like a white you know, I don't know, I wouldn't even say this is not even matte, it's like a white normal kind of finish packaging. If I haven't said, I got the shade 430 in this powder foundation. So yeah, and then it comes with, you know, the little applicator underneath, if you guys can see that. So it looks like this. This is what I'm going to use. I think I'm going to do like one side with this and then the other side with a brush. Then it has like another mirror here, but I'm going to blend out my concealer. Definitely been sitting for long enough. So this is basically like my concealer done. And I'm literally just going to set it a bit with like the Laura Mercier powder, and then I'm going to come right back. Okay, so I'm back. So this is like got my concealer on. I've set it with Laura Mercier and everything. This is the powder I got. I got the shade 430. I kind of just guessed my shade kind of thing, because in the foundations I actually don't have a shade. Like I've tried 450 when it first ever came out in the matte foundation. Wasn't my shade, too dark. I tried 440 in the highest rating foundation. It's like, it's just a bit off, like it's just too light, but the redness is there, but it's just like not it. I have 445. I want to, but I'm just like, I'm wasting a lot of money on you, Fenty, and every single one isn't that shade. I should really just stop buying it, like stop trying to, like I'm just not gonna find my shade, like. And I don't like mixing as well, so that's the thing. But yeah, so I kind of just guessed my shade with this one, like. And I noticed with this powder foundation is that a lot of people, they kind of went down in the shade kind of thing, because this comes out like darker on your hand or on your face than the color of it on the powder, on the, like if you can see, it looks pretty light like here, but like let's see. Okay, let me swatch it. So that's it on my finger. So, and it looks kind of, oh, it actually looks red. Oh child, if not for 430, I think another shade I would get would be 420, because to like go down the shade, because it comes out a lot darker on the thing. So I'm gonna take this little applicator. I'm gonna use it on this side. I'm just gonna, here comes the truth. I don't know, do you tap it? I don't know, I'm gonna use one of these. Okay, I'm just gonna like scrape it across. So it looks like this on here. It's definitely giving red. But the thing is, I like warmth, because I feel like I have red undertones, but I don't like it too red. So I'm going to keep tapping it on my hair. Now, kind of make sure I'm mixing both the foundation and the concealer so it isn't kind of like sharp. It doesn't look too bad, I can't lie, it just looks red. So, I really don't know how to use this. I'm going to keep tapping. I'm gonna kind of see, oh, don't drop, because then I can't use you again. I'm just kind of gonna see like the difference between this and the brush. So you just keep going, I keep adding, keep everywhere. This so far is giving me like light coverage. Like I can still see like any dark marks I have on this side of my face. It is giving red though. Just give it red. Let me put it on my forehead. I mean, I feel like it looks calm, but you can see that my face is red on this side, and then this side. You can definitely see it's red. It's giving me burnt orange. But let's just keep going. Okay, it's definitely giving me like matte, like soft matte for sure. Like it's not giving me like dry matte, or maybe because. So you can definitely see it. It's okay. I feel like it's definitely like true with what it says when it says it's buildable. Like I can definitely build this up a lot more, but I ain't got the time. So that's that with this side. Powder. Okay, so I'm gonna use this like brush. It's dense, but it's not the densest of brushes. So I'm gonna use it on this side now. I'm gonna just tap it in like that. Now I'm gonna see. Let's see if it covers my little. Ooh, I kind of like a brush. Ooh, let me see if it covers. Ooh, I think. Ooh, okay, I've got dainty. Oh no, it's definitely coming out pigmented with this brush. I can't lie. Well, you guys can see that that was like, okay, I am banging the thing, but it's definitely showing up. It's definitely. Oh my god, all I could do in this moment is laugh because what is this? Fenty. I definitely prefer the application with a brush. Do I match this? No, I don't know yet. Honestly speaking, I feel like the colour is not necessarily off, it's just like red. Like, but then the thing is, I heard that the 320 is quite red as well, so then I don't think I can go down to 310 because when I saw like other people using it, like they were like a much lighter complexion than me, and like, I'm trying to be looking ashy out here. But I don't really see a point in finishing my routine because like I kind of just look red anyway, and all that I would really do left is just bronze, and I don't need bronze because my whole face is bronzed. Like, I'm just gonna go in my MAC powder and just, you know, make my eyes a little more flawless and kind of make sure you can see like, okay, I've got like let me give my honest review and stop playing around. Okay, so honestly speaking, I do like the foundation, like I do the powder foundation. I do like, because I feel like my skin does look reasonably smooth. Like, it does look smooth. I would say it's definitely buildable, like it said. Like right now I feel like I'm on medium coverage. Like, you know, with a camera, you know, with my phone, with mirrors. I want to check it out like in different lightings, in different areas in my room. That's when you truly know if it's your colour, because you know a lot of the time it looks okay then when we go outside, but girl, you better take your ass back inside. But it looks okay. Like I feel like it was red like as soon as I put it on, but I kind of feel like it's like settling in and like looking less red. It's definitely red, but it doesn't look as red as it did once it was on my face. So that's that. And I do like the coverage. I like the feel. Like it said airless, it said something like that, like you can't feel it. I mean, I can't feel it. It's not like heavy on my face, so that's good. And I definitely would do this routine if I was like in a rush. I don't want my makeup done, like I don't have time to be doing everything. Especially because it's quite warm, I could get away with this as a bronzer. Like I did a bit of reverse contour, and I feel like I could definitely get away with. Why am I talking with my hand? I feel like I could definitely get away with, you know, just using this and going like, it actually looks like I've got like a beat on kind of thing. Like I've got like, okay, you've got like a whole face on. But this is like my go-to powder, is my favorite powder. It's the L'Oreal True Match, and generally speaking, like in the pan, this Fenty one looks obviously a lot lighter than this one, but the color on my face, this is obviously a lot more redder than this, but this does have a bit of a warm undertone as well. Like I'm gonna swatch the L'Oreal one next to yeah, there's definitely a difference in colour. There's definitely a difference in colour. Yay. So like, I don't know if you guys can see, this is the Fenty one. Look how red it is, like it's super red. And this is my normal True Match one. But I feel like I can get away with it. I can get away with this. But if I seriously wanted this bad, which you know me, I probably would, I would go and get the shade 420, which is the shade underneath it. So, which I think I might do, because I do like the like whole finish of the powder. So I feel like I might actually go and get the 421. Yeah, I thought that would be like a better, like I don't think it'll be as red. It's it said crease proof. I can see a crease coming. Like it definitely hasn't covered my face like fully. So like I said, it's giving the girls medium coverage. Well, that's as much as I've packed on my face, is giving medium coverage, which I don't mind. Like I don't always want the fullest coverage anyway. So I actually kind of like this, and I actually would say it is a good powder. I just feel like you got to be careful of I'm gonna take a few like pictures, like turn off all my lights and do the flashback test. Should I do it now? Let's do it now. Let's do it now. Let's do it now. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off my light. This is my room with literally no light. Like, as you can see, like the light is kind of here. That's where the window is. So let's try to take a little flashback picture and see. I can actually record like this. This actually looks cool. And see what I'm looking like. Okay, you guys can really see the real tea behind me. But let's try it. Okay. Okay, it's not giving flashback. I would say that for sure, but the picture's just not cute enough to show you guys. It's not giving flashback for sure, but the picture isn't cute enough to show you guys. I promise you guys I'm not like this in flashbacks. The end of, you know, this little section of the review. Hopefully you guys, you know, like the outcome, you guys can understand what I was saying if I was rambling too much. Wrap this all off, and I'm gonna come back with my normal routine done, and I'm gonna show you guys putting the powder on top of that section. On that section, yeah, basically. Hi guys, I'm back now. I've basically like done my normal routine. I've set my under, I have foundation underneath and everything. So now we're gonna do like the real deal, the real stuff. I'm gonna go in back with the Fenty powder. I'm gonna use a brush to apply it like I would apply my normal powder. I'm gonna tap 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 in. Hopefully I don't get it as red. This is my face with like one layer of it, and then this is my face without it. So it's definitely still like red. The red undertone is definitely still there, but I would say it's a lot more manageable. Like it doesn't come out as strong as it's already a base foundation. Like it's kind of just sticking to the foundation. This is no powder, just foundation and concealer, whatever. And this is the powder, concealer, foundation. The whole skin looks smooth, I can't lie. So it actually looks really good. I would give Fenty that. Like, so this is the powder and bronzer, and just the powder. So this is what everything is looking. It doesn't look as like red. Well, it does look warm, but it doesn't look as like red as it did look previously with just the powder foundation. So I would definitely say it's a lot more like, it toned it down a bit. So I personally prefer it like this. This is how I would wear it. Yeah, so this is the normal routine side, shall I say? That's what it looks like. This is my first review, so hopefully with time my reviews would get a lot better and stuff. So hopefully it was like really detailed and you guys could get the gist of what I was talking about. And if the product, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So don't play with me, don't play with me. Boom.